Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by opening the Wallet app and adding a valid payment card. Verify the issuing bank supports contactless vending purchases before approaching the machine. Ensure Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode is configured for secure authorization. Keep your device unlocked or ready for authentication when you tap. Confirm the vending machine accepts contactless payments and displays the contactless symbol. Make sure your phone has sufficient battery and is within 1 to 2 inches of the reader when you pay. Wake and unlock your device, then select the card in Wallet if needed. Authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode to authorize the transaction. Approach the vending machine and look for the contactless symbol or NFC pad location. Hold the top edge of your device within 1 to 2 inches of the reader and keep it steady. Wait for the machine to emit a check mark, vibration, or confirmation tone indicating a successful payment. Only select your product after you see the payment confirmation signal. If your payment fails, move the device slightly and try again near the reader. Restart the Wallet app or reboot your device if problems persist and then retry the purchase. Confirm your card has available funds and that the bank did not decline the transaction. Check the Wallet transaction list or your card statement later to verify the recorded charge. When available, request a paper receipt from the vending machine to confirm the purchase and track returns. Contact the vending operator or your bank for unresolved disputes or refunds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.